Hello, in this video I shall be discussing the location or a rough mapping of Macedonia. So this is called the Republic of Macedonia and the official name of Macedonia is FYROM. This is written in this form in the United Nations. So the full form of it is Former Yugoslavian Republic of Macedonia. So this used to be a part of Yugoslavia earlier. So this is named in this manner. In 1991, during Yugoslav wars, Macedonia became an independent country and it is one of the successor states of this Yugoslavian country. And this is now recently, 2 years back, renamed as Republic of Northern Macedonia because there was an agreement with Greece called Prespa Agreement. So by this agreement, Macedonia changed its name as Republic of Northern Macedonia because there is also a place by the same name of Macedonia in Greece and that is also bordering Macedonia. So to avoid contention, Greece made an agreement that Macedonia must change its name and it got a new name. The capital of Macedonia is Skopje and this is basically present in Europe, and this is one of the southeastern countries of Europe and we shall see where it is present. And it is a part of Balkan Peninsula. Balkan Peninsula is a major big peninsula in Europe which contains so many countries. So Macedonia also is present in is among these countries which are in Balkan Peninsula of Europe. This is a totally landlocked country. We shall see all the countries surrounding it. Like it has got Kosovo, Serbia, Bulgaria, Greece, Albania, and these 5 countries are having a direct border with Macedonia. And this is a very important route, a country with very important communication routes. So this acts as a very important major junction for these routes for important trade. So for example, it connects Danube River with Aegean Sea. So we shall see where these two are present and how they are getting connected through Macedonia. And it also connects two very important seas. They are Black Sea and Adriatic Sea. We shall see all of this. And Vardar River is the longest in Macedonia and it's a very important river over there. And Lake Ohrid is a very important lake in Macedonia. This takes a common border of Albania and Macedonia. So though this is in the common border, this is a very important lake both in Albania and in Macedonia also. And this is regarded as a heritage site, one of the heritage sites under UNESCO World Heritage Listing because this is believed to be 4 million old. So one of the oldest lakes present on the earth, that is Lake Ohrid, is in Macedonia. And 2 great people have come from this particular country. So they are Saint Mother Teresa and Alexander the Great. So these 2 very prominent figures have come from this particular capital city called Skopje of Macedonia, and Alexander the Great was the ancient ruler in Macedonia. So now we shall see the basic location and rough mapping of Macedonia. So to draw the boundary of Macedonia, border of Macedonia, it somewhat looks in this shape, and so this is Macedonia. Now we shall see the countries bordering Macedonia. So we'll start from north in clockwise direction. So here there is Kosovo. On the north of Macedonia there is a country called Kosovo, and in the same north beside Kosovo there is another country called Serbia. So Kosovo and Serbia make up the north part of Macedonia. On its total east it has got this country of Bulgaria. So Bulgaria is present on the east side of Macedonia, and Greece is present on the southern side of Macedonia. So Greece goes in this way, little south more towards the south. So this is Greece. Greece is on the southern side of Macedonia, and Albania takes the western side of Macedonia. So this is Albania. So these are the basic countries, Kosovo and Serbia on the north, Bulgaria on the east, Greece on the south, and Albania on the west. So these are all the bordering countries of Macedonia, and this is a landlocked country as I have told. Now we shall see how this has become the very important communication routes junction. For that reason we need to know the little important seas around Macedonia. So on this eastern side of Macedonia beside Bulgaria there is this sea of Black Sea. So here there is all Black Sea, and here beside Greece there is the Sea of Aegean. So here there is Aegean Sea, Black Sea, Aegean Sea, and here there is Adriatic Sea. On the western side there is Adriatic Sea, and this particular river, and we are done with Adriatic Sea, Aegean Sea and Black Sea, and this Danube river starts somewhere over here in Germany. So Danube river starts from Germany and it flows so much long to around 1000 million miles, and it reaches Black Sea through these countries. It also reaches Aegean Sea through Macedonia. So this is how this Danube river flows. This is one of the most important commercial rivers in Europe. So this is Danube river that starts in Germany. So this is Danube river. So this is how this Danube river flows through Macedonia and drains into Aegean Sea. Now we can have a map that is Danube river to Aegean Sea. Macedonia has to communicate between. It's a very important trade route for all the ships to move through Danube river all towards Aegean Sea. So this is a major communication country for the movement of ships through Danube river to Aegean Sea. And next thing is, it also connects Adriatic Sea with Black Sea. So Adriatic Sea with Black Sea has also got a route through Macedonia. They also must go to through Macedonia, because this connection is regarded as one of the very important east-west connecting trade routes in history. So east-west connecting trade routes are Adriatic Sea and Black Sea. So in this way also Macedonia is very important. So now we shall see the major river, Vardar river. So as I have told, there is a very important river, that is Vardar river. So this is located in this area of Macedonia. So this is Vardar river, the longest river in Macedonia. As I have told, Lake Ohrid is very important lake that is present here in between Macedonia and Albania. So this is Lake Ohrid, which is 4 million years old. So this is in World Heritage listing of UNESCO. So this is the basic mapping and a view of Macedonia. So these are all the countries surrounding it. Very important seas, 3 important seas of Black Sea, Aegean Sea and Adriatic Sea, and how it communicates through these seas, and a very important river, that is Danube river. All of these 4 are major communication centers that junction in Macedonia, and here there is a river called Vardar river, very important river in Macedonia and the longest over there, and Ohrid lake that is shared by Albania and Macedonia, one of the oldest lakes in the world, is also present over here. So these are all the basic things and a rough mapping of Macedonia, and thank you.